Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change a Toyota Yaris key battery. Remove the key fob cover using a small flathead or coin, then separate the halves carefully. Pry out the old CR 2032 battery with gentle leverage and note orientation. Insert the new CR 2032 with the positive side up, confirm the rubber seal sits correctly, snap the halves together, and test the key functions from a short distance. Use the seam on the key fob to locate the opening point and place a small flathead or coin into the slot. Twist gently to separate the two halves without cracking the plastic. Keep track of any internal parts like small springs or metal inserts as you open the case. Work slowly so you can reassemble correctly and avoid stretching or tearing the rubber gasket that helps keep moisture out. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like to support future tips. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle is great for keeping you hydrated while working on cars, fits cup holders, and won't leak in your toolbox. It's a handy companion for any DIY task. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab one if you want. Now let's get back to the video. Once the case is open, observe how the CR 2032 battery sits and the contact points touch it. Carefully lift the old battery out using a plastic tool or fingertip to avoid shorting terminals. Place the new CR 2032 in the same orientation, pressing until it clicks into the clip and makes solid contact. Reassemble the fob, making sure all seals and buttons align, then test lock, unlock, and panic functions from a couple of meters.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.